It's like a second step to another discovery meeting.
Yeah, that could just be if we didn't get everything, or let's say we're having an introductory conversation. Let's say I'm talking to Rick, but Rick has to get Sarah Long involved, right? And Rick doesn't know the specifics. The next step could be, based on my understanding of the conversation we've had, Rick, it sounds like you're an excellent candidate. My recommendation on the next steps is that we schedule a formal meeting with Sarah Long, right? Does that match what you need? Did I miss anything there? I've gone ahead and shot over an Outlook invite with a Zoom meeting where the three of us can get together for next Tuesday at 2 p.m. If that time works, simply accept. If not, feel free to suggest a different time. We can go down that direction there. But I want to make sure I'm clear on something as well here, Chris. This may feel pretty heavy, but it's not, because it's what came out of their mouth. And that's where we get a little bit freaked out, is we're like, oh, I don't want to say, you're going to be able to do this, do that. But if it's the words that came out of their mouth, you're just saying, you told me. And then worst case, they go, well, you know what? 30 million is a bit aggressive for us. If we could do, 22, we'd be happy. And it opens the door for you to go, just out of curiosity, why the change from 30 to 22? Well, we just want to over deliver, on the board. We want to make sure, we'd love to hit the 30, but the last thing we want to do is get ourselves in a situation where we overpromise to the board. When you say overpromise to the board, can you walk me through a specific example where you guys have had something in place and it didn't go off and you felt like you overpromised? Now all of a sudden I'm building actual rapport with that client. So, it puts you in a great, terrific position. Does that make sense, Chris?
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.